How to open up the Emirates NBD bank account online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I will show you how you can create and open up the Emirates NBD bank account online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now keep in mind, I'm talking about opening up a bank account. I'm not talking about online banking or mobile banking, but I'm talking about opening up and registering for a legit bank account if you're from the UAE or Dubai. So if you want to do that, first of all, we have two applications called Emirates NBD and ENBDX. These both applications are available on both your Google Play Store as well as your App Store. But if I download this first application and open it up, and then if I go to the, let's say, login screen or whatever, it is going to ask me to actually download the new app. So let me just tap on the radio option. So as you can see, it says me to download the new app. So when you tap on the download new ENBD application, it is going to take us to this application. So you want to make sure to download this exact app. Now what you want to do is tap on the open button. Now if you already have a bank account on ENBD, you can register for mobile banking and then log into your account. But if you don't have a bank account, you have to create a new bank account. So you can see the button that says open your new bank account, and all you have to do is just tap on it. Once I tap on the option called open your new bank account, you can just choose the option to create a new application if you have not yet started before. Now after that, you'll be able to see terms and conditions, so make sure to agree to all the terms and conditions. Scroll down to the bottom, make sure this is checked, and then after that just slide in order to confirm. And then once you slide this box in order to confirm, it will ask you for a few other details. Now these are all of the legal details that you must have. In order to open up a bank account in the Emirates NBD application, you must first be a resident of the UAE. So first of all, just select your country of birth over here. Once you select your country of birth, select your normal country of residence where you actually currently reside. Then after that, you can also select your marital status. After you select your marital status, you want to make sure to enter your phone number. All of this information are compulsory, and when you tap on the continue button, it is going to ask you for some other details such as your identity verification and address verification. After you finish completing the online registration, you have to go to the bank in order to finish and then verify the activation process itself. And after doing this, you'll be able to successfully open up your bank account right from your home without having to go to the bank on the Emirates NBD application. Hopefully this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.